Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to delete a chat on Telegram step by step. Whether you're cleaning up your conversation list or just want some extra privacy, this quick guide will show you how to do it the easy way. So, let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Once it's open, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Scroll through and find the chat you want to delete. It could be a one-on-one chat, a group conversation, or even a channel. Telegram gives you full control over all of them. Next, tap and hold the chat you want to remove. When you hold it down for a couple of seconds, the chat should become highlighted, and you'll notice some new icons appear at the top of your screen. These icons let you perform different actions, like archiving, pinning, or deleting. Now, look toward the top right corner and tap the delete icon. It's usually shaped like a small trash bin. This is your remove option, and once you tap it, Telegram will ask you to confirm before actually deleting anything. Here's the important part. Confirm that you really want to delete the chat. Telegram will often show a pop-up message asking if you're sure. If it's a private or group chat, you might also have the option to delete it for yourself only, or for both sides if you're the one who sent the messages. Select your preferred option and confirm, and that's it. Your chat is now permanently deleted from your Telegram account. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference when cleaning up your inbox or keeping your messages organized. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips on how to manage your messages, groups, and privacy settings with ease. Thanks for watching.